Hi, I'm Brittany Barron, and the game I'm playing today is the Review Trapper game, which I also did for my discussion number 2 because I thought it was nice and simple to play, and I really liked it. The graphics of this game are like all the others for its time, really simple and bright and cheery. They almost all have really bright colors to get people's attention. And even though it's pixelated like all the other games, it has lots of detail surprisingly, which is really nice, other than just having big pixelated blobs of people. The characters in the game, I don't know any of their names, but they all fit in really well with the general look of the game. And in being a saloon, they all have cowboy hats on, and they're all also really bright and cheery and have lots of emotions. They all move their mouths and stuff, which is more than I expect for a game like this, for a game of this time. The scenario of the game is really simple. All you do is run up and down the aisles, collecting their mugs after they drank and refilling them and collecting the money, which is super simple. It kind of reminds me of a mobile game with the simplicity of it. I feel like I'd get tired of it after a while, but it's nice for what it is. The scoring of the game is a little odd to me. I don't really get it. Apparently, for every person you serve, you get 50, and the mugs you collect, you get 100, and the money you also get quite a few points. But I don't really understand why the points are different for mugs or people, since they all seem to move at the same pace almost. I don't know. I don't really get it, but maybe it's... Actually, I guess the mugs do move a little faster than the people, so I can see why you get more money for collecting them, since I almost just missed that one. As far as games today compared to this one doesn't really compare, but how good it was made decades ago. Graphics have gone so much better, and this is just really simple. The characters don't have a story. The graphics aren't that good, and there's more intricate plots and storylines of games today, so I see why this has been left behind. And I honestly, similar games that have to be like mobile games, I wouldn't ever sit down on the computer and play a game like this. Like, I might fiddle around on my phone with a game similar to this as a time filler, but I don't see it how people today could sit and play it for hours like people did decades ago, like 30 years ago, 40 years ago at an arcade playing for hours with their friends. I just don't see people doing that today, but I get how they would back then. And even though it isn't great for today, it still was nice to appreciate how far it's come and what games were back then. And yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. So, thank you.